Alright, what I got here is the big boy locomotive in Lego or fake Lego. So here's the instruction book. It's the pieces. I mean, it isn't real Lego. I got it from aliexpress or Wish or Alibaba or something. And there's only one piece. It wasn't missing, but it was like melted or wrong. And that's that ×6 piece right there. One of them was missing the two like ends. You set this down. So it was missing like the two parts on the end, and it looked a little melted. And it goes, right on the sides here. It still worked. It still held everything. There was nothing wrong with that. So I mean, you can't see it because it's behind here, but it still works. It holds it. You would never know. I wasn't missing any pieces. Everything was there. You can see in the front here, it says Big Boy Union Pacific. So, I mean, it was a fun build. I mean, this is a sticker. Yeah, this is on both sides. The sticker and the sticker here. Everything else was printed. So these number plates are printed. All this on the front was printed. I can't remember, there might have been, there's some gauges in there that are printed. But they got the seat and they got, a bunch of gauges and stuff there. So that was nice that you didn't have tons of stickers, you just had the three. The other thing that's kind of a problem is these front guide trucks. It has one of those little connectors and stuff in there, and they don't seem to hold very well. But if I got it just to display, so it doesn't really matter to me, I'm not running it. You can see these just kind of sit there. They do get little gears. Everything does turn. They don't turn very smoothly, probably because I pushed these wheels, squeezed them in probably tighter than they needed to be. But they do all work and turn and all that. See, it has a nice, gap here where it's not very good, or big, I should say. I like that, especially for display. I don't want this big gap. It's got the magnetic coupler for the rear to add. Hollow in there. So as a display piece, I really love this. It was fun to build. Cost me about 60 bucks. It was worth it. Here's the instruction book again. Big boy steam locomotive. So it was a fun build. If you're thinking about getting one, I would say it was worth it. I suppose you could change out some parts along the bottom here to actual Lego, so it could probably run. And even the front cow catcher here is pretty low. It's actually going down between the tracks. But for display purposes, I really like that. So running it, I would say you could do some adjustments. But other than that,